Now to the Trump presidency and the health care debate on Capitol Hill and across America. A judge's decision has millions of Americans wondering if they'll be able to keep their health insurance. Around 20 million Americans' health care coverage is in limbo this morning. This after a federal judge in Texas struck down the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, as unconstitutional. CBS 4's Marc Liverman explains.
Just as Americans were signing up for health care before Saturday's Affordable Care Act deadline, a federal judge in Texas was throwing the entire system's future into question. On Friday, that judge ruled the ACA, or Obamacare, unconstitutional. A day later, President Trump hailed the decision.
Well, it was a big ruling. It's a great ruling for our country. We'll be able to get great health care. We'll sit down with the Democrats if the Supreme Court upholds. We'll be sitting down with the Democrats, and we will get great health care for our people.
The issue, what's known as the individual mandate, a law requiring people to have health insurance and penalizing them if they don't. But about a year ago, President Trump signed the tax overhaul bill into law, which eliminated that penalty. And that paved the way for this, a lawsuit that argued no tax penalty should mean no Obamacare. U.S. District Judge Reed O'Connor sided with that argument. On Sunday, Senator Chuck Schumer called the judge's decision, quote, devastating.
The good news is that the judge seemed way off the deep end, and I am going to ask Senators, Democrats and Republicans, to intervene in the case when it is appealed and say the judge was totally off base.
At the moment, nothing changes for those who are insured under the ACA. The program will remain intact while its future continues to weave its way through the courts, a process that could take from several months to several years. Marc Liverman, CBS News.